Our next topic is cascading reports. To briefly explain what is cascading reports, if you have a drop down 1 and drop down 2, once you select a value here, the immediate drop down will be enabled. Unless you don't select this will be not enabled. That is the concept of cascading reports. So let's go ahead and implement this. Let me add a new report, empty report, and call it as cascading report, and let me add data source. Here I'll be using my shared data source, and since I have mentioned that there will be two drop downs and one will be getting enabled only once the first is selected, so I'll show that how to write a query. So I am pulling data based on sales territory, region, and territory country. So I can have multiple countries in a single region. So it depends. So in that case, to ensure that, what I am doing is I am having two different parameters getting passed. So in Asia Pacific region you can have India, Pakistan, Bangladesh, multiple countries. So that's how one region once selected, multiple countries should be there should be provision to select multiple countries. So I am doing an OK. I got a list of values here and also list of parameters which I created as part of where class, and I am creating a tabular report here, and I'll be selecting my territory country, territory group, and sales amount. I'll do a basic color coding here, formatting, okay. Let's save this and preview this. So you are having here Australia as a region and Australia as a country. So this we have seen in previous report as well, in parameterized report. Now my objective is not just passing two values. Now my objective is making enabling and disabling thing on my report. So drop down should be enabled and disabled based on the first selection criteria. So I'll be adding my data set here, and I'll call this as sales territory region. Param. Make it readable so that next the developer who joins your group should not be confused. So I need territory region as a parameter and territory country as a parameter. So this is for territory region. Do it on OK, and go to your territory region and pass this to your query. Territory region. Okay. Now for territory country, create one more data set. And use a shared data and use this country and do an OK and pass this to your territory country. This is what you were doing in previous video as well. So you'll get two parameters on your report viewer. So you can see here two parameters. When I'm selecting Australia, I can select multiple countries here. So see here, if even if you don't select this, you are having provision to select this. So this is not what I was expecting. I was expecting something where only after selecting the drop down territory region, the country provision drop down should be provisioned for me. So for that I should go to this and make where sales territory region equal to I'm sorry, sales territory region. Now you can see the difference. Only after selecting this drop down, this is giving me a provision of selecting a country, and I can view my report. So this data is exclusively for Australia Pacific region. So that's pretty much it, guys, on cascading reports. I'll mark this video as completed. In next video we'll see on case statements. So thanks for watching.